Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can disable the tax included clause on Shopify for your store. So let's get right into it. Now, Shopify by default does have an option where taxes are included to the price of the object you're selling or the product itself, and that will show up at the end of the billing, or rather when people are viewing your store, they'll see the price with the taxes included. Now, you can remove this very easily. It's just one single step with one checkbox you need to uncheck. So let me show you where it is and how you can do that. Now, as you'll see, if I go into settings, you have the taxes and duties tab to the left on this menu, and all you have to do is scroll all the way down below the regions and the apps, and in global settings, as you can see, you have the option to include sales tax and product price and shipping rate, as well as include or exclude tax based on your customer's country. That depends on all of your other settings. So as you can see, mine is grayed out. You can go to markets preferences to turn the setting on and include it if you want. But as you can see, my taxes are not included in my prices. Now, if I checked this and clicked save, this is what your settings are going to look like if you just launched your store. If you just created your store, it's going to be on by default, and all you have to do to disable it is just uncheck that box and click save. Once you do that, as I've explained previously, when people view your products on your store, they will not see the taxes included on the total price of the item, and once they go to their checkout page, they're going to see the taxes added after, and they're going to see that in their subtotal after the taxes have been added, etc., etc. But in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.